Hey guys, I've been asked lately about making calendar invites, and so I thought I'd show you real quickly how to make a new calendar invite. So you're going to go to your calendar page in your email, and you'll click right here on New Appointment. So just click on that. Then I can make a calendar invite just for myself, and all I'd have to do is type in the description of what it's about, and then create the date. Let's say I'm going to do this tomorrow at 8:30 to 9:30, and let me call this a meeting with Reed. And I can invite her here, or I can just save it for my own calendar. If I click Save and Close, it just shows up on my calendar tomorrow. So January 10th, and I put it on my calendar for 8:30 at night, which is never going to happen, so now I'm going to delete that. I double clicked it. I'm going to go back to that and hit delete. So now it's gone. So let me go back to creating an appointment for someone else. So this is going to be meeting with Reed. And then I'm going to hit invite people. So I can just type in Holly and she'll pop right up. That's her personal email there, and then it shows her school email. I want her school email. You got to be careful with that because some people have both email addresses pop up. So I'm going to invite her. If I don't want to hear back from her, like if you're inviting the whole school to something, you're not going to want to hear back from everybody. So then you're going to click this. Otherwise, you're going to get an email back from everybody saying that they accepted or declined, whatever it is. So make sure you hit this, it's response options, and unclick that request responses so that you don't get a message from everyone. I would fix the time here because I really don't want to meet with her at 8 o'clock at night. I hope to be in my jammies at that point, and I know she does too. So we'll go to 8 o'clock in the morning. So let's do that. 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. tomorrow, Wednesday the 10th. Meeting with Reed, and I'm sending it to Holly Reed to her Elgin ISD email address, and then I hit send. It's saying you don't have a location, but that's okay. We're going to meet each other in the hall, so I'm going to say send anyway. That's it. Now it's on my calendar, and I'm done. That's the easy way to create a calendar invite. Good luck!